Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun where we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from Blaupunkt and this is an electric cordless air duster. And these are great for cleaning your PC or electrical devices, and they're definitely better than using, say, an air canister one. And this particular one is quite compact. So anyway, let's get in the box and have a bit of a closer look at this air duster. So the first thing out the box is a manual to operate the unit and a warranty card, which gives you 12 months warranty, which is pretty good. So the first thing's out the box. Next is the all-important USB-C charging cable, and this is a USB-C device, which is quite good. So it means it's a bit modern than some of the other ones that used a different type of USB cable. So it's good they include that too in the box. It comes with 5 different attachments. So you've got this one here, which has got a dual airflow unit on it. You've got this one, which is a sort of a shorter nozzle type one. You've got this one, which is the longer version of that first one that allows you to get more in. You've got this one with a little brush on the end, and then you've got this which has a very large opening for, probably you could use this for drying things like glue and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool that they give you quite a variety of accessories for this. And finally we've got the unit itself, and as you can see it's not particularly big. It fits really nicely in one hand. It's got your USB charging port here because it's got an internal battery, and I'll put up on the screen how long it takes to charge and how long it will run for as well. On this side you've got a little LED light, and then this is where the fittings that I showed you earlier go, which I'll show you in a minute again. You basically hold this button down for several seconds to turn it on, and then do the same to turn it off. So it's only actually got one speed. So I'll bring in the different attachments, and you can see they just sort of push in, which is really easy to change. So that's the brush one. You've got that shorter one. You've got the very long one, which is great for getting into like PCs and things. And then you've got these two more sort of oddity ones, where this one has got a very large opening, which would probably be good for drying, say, glue or paint maybe. And then this one, which has got 2 outputs, which would be handy if you're trying to get close into something and you want to push the stuff away. So it might be quite handy for, say, cooling fans and things like that in PCs. So they've really got lots of extra attachments, which is great. So what I'll do now is I'll just put this long one on, and I'll bring in this little toy car, and we'll turn it on. So if you hold the button down for a bit, it turns it on. And it's got a lot of pressure there. You've got your light, and so if I do that, you can see the car just shoots off straight away. So if I turn that off like so, you can see that this is a great little unit, and if you need this for doing some electrical cleaning of your computer or other stuff, I can recommend this. This Blaupunkt unit is great. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.